Hey, welcome back everybody. So today I will explain callbacks in JavaScript. A callback is a function that is passed as an argument to another function. They are used to handle asynchronous operations such as reading a file, network requests, or interacting with databases. These activities take some time to complete. Now with JavaScript, we don't necessarily wait for a process to finish before continuing with the rest of the program. For example, if we were to read a file, if it takes a long time to read that file, JavaScript might continue on with the rest of the program. We might attempt to display the contents of this file before we finished reading it. That's where callbacks come in. We're telling JavaScript, hey, when you're done, call this next. When you're done reading the file, then display the contents. Only after that process is complete. I'll give you an example of the syntax of a callback. We'll start with something really simple. We'll create a function to display the word hello. This will be the hello function. Then I will console.log the word hello. So I can invoke this function hello to execute it. Hello. What if we were to create a function for goodbye? Function goodbye. We will console.log goodbye. Okay, after hello, let's invoke goodbye. We have hello, then goodbye. What if my hello function takes a lot of time to process? Well, JavaScript isn't necessarily going to wait around before executing the goodbye function. I'm going to add a few lines of code. You don't need to copy this. These few lines of code are going to make us wait for 3 seconds. You don't need to write this down, but do pay attention. We will execute the hello function followed by the goodbye function. But we are going to pretend that our hello function takes a little bit of time to process. So now we have a goodbye already executed, followed by hello. But it should be the other way around. I would like to guarantee that the goodbye function follows after the hello function. Well, I can do that by adding a callback to the goodbye function after the hello function is complete. We will get rid of this goodbye function invocation. To use a callback, you pass a function as an argument to another function. We will pass the goodbye function as an argument to the hello function. So within the set of parentheses, type the name of the function goodbye. Now be sure you don't add a set of parentheses after the function name. You will call it right away. We are passing the name of the function as an argument, but we need a matching parameter. I will name this parameter callback. After everything within the function is complete, let's take our callback, then invoke it by adding a set of parentheses. Invoke meaning call. Alright, let's see what happens. We have our hello function followed by the goodbye function in that order. Let's create another function. What about a leave function? We'll tell somebody to leave. Console.log leave. I will pass the name of this function as an argument to the hello function. Leave is now our callback. After executing the hello function, we will execute our callback, and in this case it's a leave function. Let's create another function for wait. Function wait. console.log wait. We'll pass the name of the function as an argument to the hello function. Wait is now our callback. We will execute the hello function followed by the wait function. So by using callbacks, we are guaranteeing that the function passed in will execute next. You can pass callbacks as well as other arguments to the function. Alright everybody, so that's a callback. It's a function that is passed as an argument to another function. They are used to handle asynchronous operations that may take a variable amount of time, such as reading a file, network requests, or interacting with databases. We are not exactly sure when these processes are going to complete. By using a callback, we can ensure that a function executes after these processes are complete and not before accidentally. Well everybody, those are callbacks in JavaScript. Make sure you do some practice on your own, and I will see you in the next video.